Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by softening the adhesive so removal is controlled. Apply 70% isopropyl alcohol to the sticker edge and let it soak for about 3–5 minutes. This breaks down the glue polymers. Once done, lift a corner gently with a plastic scraper or fingernail. Don't force it. If the edge resists, reapply alcohol and wait another few minutes. Make sure to tape any nearby paint or trim so the solvent doesn't damage finishes while you work. Now you remove the residue itself. Hold the razor at a low angle, around 30 degrees, and push gently across the glass to shave off softened glue. You're not chiseling. Small, controlled strokes prevent scratches. Between passes, re-wet the area with alcohol and wipe with a microfiber towel to emulsify and remove the sticky film. If the glue is layered or gummy, add a short burst of heat from a hair dryer to re-soften. Then repeat scraping and wiping until the surface feels smooth. Finish by cleaning the glass thoroughly. Spray glass cleaner and wipe with a clean microfiber to remove solvent residue and streaks. If you notice a slight haze, a 50/50 vinegar and water polish will restore clarity. Rub in circular motions and buff dry. Make sure to inspect for any scratches. Shallow marks can be polished with cerium oxide paste, but deep scratches require professional repair. If glue won't budge after repeated solvent and heat cycles, stop and consult a pro to avoid damaging the glass.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.